Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story, and I'm with friend of the channel, Bert Major. He's got another great Buick for you, and this one's a Survivor. We're at the World of Wheels in Rosemont, Illinois. And Bert, what year, make, and model is this one?
1976 Buick LeSabre Custom.
Yeah, like this. Now, Bert, how long have you had this one?
15 months.
And why this one out of all the cars in the world?
The 1976 Buick LeSabre Custom, it was the first Buick my father ever purchased.
Is that right?
October 23rd, 1975.
Nice. So a tribute to Dad. Come
Yes.
right alongside me. Look at that. Now, how did you find this big, beautiful Buick?
I found this big, beautiful Buick on eBay.
Wow.
And I purchased it from Calgary, Canada.
Wow. So it's a Canadian car.
Well, it was built in Kansas,
Yeah.
April 29th, 1976.
Yeah.
After it was built, it got shipped right to Calgary,
Is that right?
Canada, yes. And it was sold brand new at Calgary Motor Products in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, yes.
Is that right? Come right alongside me. Let's take a look at this one. We're gonna have to step back a bit for this because what you'll see, it takes a bit to get it in the frame. Oh, that's nice. I love the fact that it's a two-door, and I love how those back windows, there's just a little chunk of window there,
Yeah.
but that makes all the difference in the world. Now, does that window drop in here, or how does that work? Does it come in this
I believe that the windows just go straight down into the body of the...
Tell you what, when we start it, let's make sure we pull the windows up, and
Sure.
the blue Landau atop the LeSabre Custom, and there's your Calgary right there. And of course, in '76 we had that unleaded fuel sticker. Try to get that with the light off it, and then this is, I'll just push up, or there we go.
Turn it down.
Just like there, and that does that.
There you go. Yep.
You got it. Perfect. That would come like that, and just the big, classy back end there. Well, congratulations! It just looks great.
Thanks.
Let's take a look in the trunk, shall we? We've got some trunk and treats for him with this one too. Now, did this one come with these trunk and treats?
No, I purchased the
Oh, you purchased these as soon as you
dealer.
got it.
Yes.
So you have there your jack instructions. Nice trunk, as you can see. This is not very easily seen. You don't see this too often.
No, not at all.
And this you also found on eBay?
Yes.
Oh, this was a good day. The Skyhawk. Good luck trying to find one of those today.
Yeah.
The Skylark. We won't go through every moment, but there's your Century. I'm being careful with this. There's your Regal. Oh, a trip down memory lane. Back in the Bicentennial, there's the LeSabre Custom. The two-door, like we see here. We'll get you some specs there. We got lots of nice things. The Riviera. Nice. A closer look. We have the wagons. You had that clamshell-like rear deck there. There's more dimensions and things like that.
Yes.
But as we come over here to this book, much bigger.
Right.
Buick
and-
trim. Go ahead.
Yes, and this book, it deals with the options, the color trim, and everything else.
There's the book for this car.
Yes.
We're gonna go right to your car.
Okay.
You can see these are the actual swatches. Here's the Century. Here's the LeSabre Custom. You can feel that nice material there, and you can see how it plays out there. Real nice. And you can see that the rest of them, the Electra, etc. Very nice. All right, we'll close that and we'll take a look at the interior. May I open the interior?
Sure.
As long as we check our interior, you can see right here you've got your tag. Lots going on with this door. All of it relates to comfort. You have that nice material there. You have your power windows, your carpet down at the bottom. Take a look at our interior. You can see how nice that is. So as we get closer, I'm going to step over here. Bert, how do you feel when you're in this one?
Like I'm sitting on a living room sofa. Driving.
You are on the living room sofa when you're driving this thing. This is great. The headrest. This just looks fantastic. Our pedals, our Buick there in front of us. And as you can see, that. Can you pull the lights for a second? Just pull that light out for just a second. Yeah, that looks like that. You can see that. Oh, that's nice. That's very classy, right?
It's a Buick.
Yeah, it's a Buick. Thank you. Right. Lou, this is what we're used to in a Buick. Yeah, that's great. The Custom Air. And check that out, your A-Track.
Right, and Lou, that is an AM radio with an A-Track.
Really?
A factory Delco AM radio with an A-Track.
Wow.
And it works.
Is that right?
Yes.
Is that your Buick clock there?
When they ordered the car, the clock was not ordered.
Got it. So that's just a blank piece.
Yes.
With the word Buick. Gotta focus in on that. You probably won't see that too often. All right. The lighter, and that's just great. Our hood latch. Well, let's pop the hood and show us what we got under the hood. You see what it looks like with the lights on there too. Nice. Go ahead. Wow, it is packed.
Yes.
Welcome to 1976. You forgot how packed it was, right?
Yeah.
Wow. That does not look like that's easy to work on.
You know, it's fairly easy.
Really?
It is, yes. I could say this.
Yeah.
As far as changing the spark plugs and the valve cover gaskets,
Yeah.
I mean, Buick motors, the older ones, are one of the easiest motors.
Really? What is this right here? This is the gold top.
That is, I believe that's the dryer to the AC unit, but I'm not for certain.
I think you're right because it's got that blue cap on it as though you're going to put the Freon in there or whatever, R12 or whatever it was back then.
Right.
You can see the dual horns here, which looks great. And we've got that tag already on the door. Well, let's fire it up, shall we?
Sure.
This side clearly is much easier to get to than the other side.
Yes, it is.
No doubt about that. Let's step on the brakes for a second so we can see those tail lights. That's great. I can't hear it, but I can see where the water is coming from the muffler. Wow, is that quiet? Can you give it a rev? Nice. before you shut it down, can you wait? Let me listen to that sound. Oh, that's 76 right there, right? That sound that we used to have. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start it up just so we can get the power windows here.
Oh.
Show me how that back window works. Ah, it goes up from down. One more time.
Sure.
The mystery is solved.
Yeah.
Bert, stay right there. We'll shut it down. Bert Major and his Buick. It doesn't get much better than that. Bert, my friend, good to see you again. Thank you so much again for being on My Car Story.
Thank you very much, Luke.
You're welcome.